Welcome back. It's your boy DG from DG Mindset. We're here to learn today of how to make your life mirror your internal state exactly the way you want it. See, what a lot of people don't realize is that the technology that human beings create is merely just copying the technology of this universe. Okay, we know that we live in a sea of energy. We have different names for the universal field, the unified field, the mind, sea of energy, whatever you refer to it as. This is the same concept as the internet. It is a web of consciousness that information is traveling upon. So this is how we created the internet. We could go and look at a radio. A radio has a tuner, and it grabs the radio waves of the information called songs that are being transmitted from another location, and now we can hear that song based on where our tuner is on that frequency. The human brain does the same exact thing. That is the receiver to pick up what consciousness, this field of energy, is transmitting. So when you understand this, to create your life, to manifest at will, all we have to do is understand how the mirror works. Okay? And we're going to break this down in this video. So we all have a mirror in our bathroom, our bedroom. Some of us like to stare in the mirror. Some of us don't even like looking at the mirror. But if you look at the mirror as a way or a metaphor to help you with your life, it'll drastically change the trajectory of your life. Understand that the mirror will not smile until you smile. So when I look at a mirror and I smile, the mirror is going to smile back. It cannot do anything other than what the image is doing. It only mirrors and copies and reflects the present moment. Your life is the same way. This outer reality, your outer world, your environment, your relationships, it's just mirroring the inner world, your emotions, your thoughts, the subconscious programs. This is the image and life is the reflection. So if I want life to reflect a certain way, that means I need to change the image. Do you understand now? So a lot of times what happens is the ego is constantly looking on the outside. So we look at what she said to me or what he did to me instead of paying attention to why it's making me feel what I feel. When you have that awareness now you can fix what's keeping you from feeling in an elevated state. And that's how we change what we want life to look like, by changing the inner world first. The ancients used to say, the law of correspondence, as within, so without. Here's what you need to do. First thing, ask yourself what you want the image in the mirror to look like. That's you setting the intention. How do I want life to look like a year from now? Okay, I want to live in a luxurious house and I want to have more money than I'll ever spend. And you sit here and you write out all of these things. Now it's up to you to make the inner world live that in this present moment, making sure that your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions are all in alignment with what you want your life to mirror, what you want the actual image in the mirror to be. To make it really simple for you, all you had to do was figure out what you wanted the image to be and then be it in this present moment. And if we look at the definition of manifestation, it is the embodiment of an abstract thought. And everything that you embody, life will always mirror it. And this is why it first started and ended with you. I hope this helped you. I hope you got everything that you needed. And if you didn't, make sure you hit like and subscribe because I got more for you. Until next time, it's your boy DG. Be good.